hoping to get more wins. They are now 4-5 as Mendoza scores inside. Villanueva, 2 on, 1 fast break. Easy layup for the Lady Bulldogs.
Team really has that wake-up call, especially in the third quarter. So if they notice that their opponent rather, that's right, we see both teams trying to make a run of a fast break.
Garcia squeezes her way through. 4 points now for Garcia. Sorada off the curl. Sorada, short stab is good.
That's the bread and butter move there by Angel Sorada. And if you're LaSalle, you're going to have to contest those shots. Make sure Angel Sorada isn't comfortable with those mid-range jumpers.
For Coach Cholo and his team. Oh, the breakaway from Medina.
If you see the level of composure here, as we see here, Angel Sorada deflecting it and converting that pass into an open shot.
Kyla Go using her size and strength down low. Let the ball slip through her fingers. 2-on-1 fast break. Sunga to Gizon.
Oh, and on the other end, we see Sunga with that 2 versus 1 matchup here against NU. Back-to-back plays here for LaSalle.
Nice cut by Dizon. Sunga sees 2. Sunga off the glass and in. LaSalle has a taste of the lead.
Created a mini run of their own, courtesy of Sunga.
Bingol says, let me put a stop to that run. 40 seconds remaining. Sunga off the glass, no. Gets her own miss. The cleanup job is good. Bingol to Betano all day to shoot.